Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about percentage rank function. This is also an analytical function. We already talked about rank and dance rank function in previous video. If you do not watch, you can watch from a Snowflake SQL playlist in my channel. So, percentage rank function is a statistical function commonly used in data analysis to determine the relative rank of value within a data set. The definition you can define here: the percentage rank function return a relative standing value within a data set. The rank is a percentage between 0 and 1. Both are included. 0 indicates the lowest rank and 1 indicates the highest rank. Formula used to calculate the percentage rank of the value x within a data set is percentage rank. For example, x value, then rank x minus 1 divided by total number of value minus 1, where rank x is the rank of the value x within a data set. SQL syntax is very simple. You can define here select, then you can select column name as you wish, then percentage rank open bracket close bracket over, then you can also define partition by clause, then order by clause in ascending order as there is alias name from your table. Okay, now let's understand why practical. Let's move to a Snowside web UI. This is my Snowside web UI and here I am using free trial Snowflake account. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up if you find this video helpful. So we already create this employee table in previous video while we learning rank and dance rank function. You can copy from description box and do practice. So here I am selecting employee ID, employee name, salary from employee table and rank it by salary in descending order. So if I execute a statement, you can see here this is the highest salary and this is the lowest salary. So this is first rank and second rank and so on. Here we rank using salary in descending order, and we here calculate percentage rank order by salary in ascending order. So you can see the difference. To understand the percentage rank, we also calculating rank function in order by salary in ascending order. So we are selecting employee ID, employee name, salary, and we also calculate rank in ascending order and then percentage rank in ascending order by order of salary. So if I execute this statement, you can see the difference. Here this is the 0% rank and this is the 100% rank. This is the 87% rank. Means Laura Wilson earning 1,10,000, which is the better than 87% of remaining employee. This means, okay. For example, we want to calculate the employee who are earning highest 30% salary in the company. So how we can calculate? We can define here. We selecting employee ID, employee name, salary, and we also calculate rank in ascending order and then percentage rank in ascending order of the salary, and alias name give here salary percentage underscore rank, and we filter using where clause, and this is the greater than equal to 0.7%, means remaining 30%, which is better salary earning employee. So if I execute this statement, you can see here these employee earning highest salary in the company, which is 30% of the employee. Okay, you can also use partition by clause in percentage rank function. So we are selecting same column and we also apply here rank function and then percentage rank function and partition by department ID and order by salary in ascending order. Actually percentage rank calculated in ascending order. Okay, so you can see here in this department only 2 employees, so 0% and 100%. In this department Here is the 3 employee, so 0%, 50% and 100% you can see here. Okay, if you want to filter, then you can apply here where clause. This is the department 3, and there is, this is the lowest salary, so 0%, and this is the highest salary, so 100%, and this is the 50% of the salary remaining employee, so 0.5. Okay, you can also remove partition by clause. This query and this query is same. Okay, you can see here. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.